Welcome back to our channel. Today again we are discussing a very important topic that is relating to IELTS, and the topic is reading. You should know that reading is the most important skill of your IELTS while you are having a idea to get maximum or good score or maximum band. So you have to do lots of work, you have to do lots of practice to get maximum score or maximum band in your uh, reading while you are having IELTS. So the the important thing as we are discussing here is the importance of reading. In IELTS, your 25% of your score carries on IELTS, and it means that 25% of your IELTS syllabus is depending on your reading skill. So if your reading is good, then you will be able to score maximum in your IELTS. It is very important in both perspective, like general or academic IELTS. So in both perspectives, general or in academic, you have to get maximum marks in IELTS in reading also. So you have to you get 40 you get 60 minutes to answer 40 questions. You get 60 minutes to answer 40 questions, and so if your reading is quite quite good, then you can answer the questions quite easily. And again I tell you that your 40% you have to give 40 questions answers in just 60 minutes. So if you prepare well, you can answer the questions quickly and correctly. And your reading is not only depending on just reading, it is also consisted of questions like true, false, fill in the blanks. And if you are capable, if you are a good command on reading, then you can answer the questions regularly or in a good way. So some techniques are putting in front of you. If you act on these techniques, you can improve your reading. Skimming and scanning, intensive reading, these are the basic skills that you can adopt to score maximum in your IELTS reading. Skimming, for example, while you are having reading something quickly, and scanning, if you are, for example, while you are reading a newspaper and you are having reading the headlines, that shows that you are reading skimmingly. And if you are reading skimmingly and then you are putting emphasis on some specific news, that it shows that you are showing your you are acting on skimming and scanning technique. If you are putting emphasis, or if you are showing your interest towards some specific part of your news on the newspaper, so you are showing you are acting on techniques like scanning. And if you read the columns or deeply newspaper, it shows that you are acting on extensive reading technique. So these techniques are very key for you to get maximum score in IELTS while you are having a reading. So again I tell you, you must not ignore it, and you put more emphasis on your learning, like learning reading. And if you ignore this, it means that you are ignoring your 20% of your score. So if you want to get maximum score, you should act on skimming, scanning, and intensive reading, and try to act on these activities, on these techniques, to get maximum scores and get a good command on reading. And as I told you that reading is not just reading. There are questions relating, right, true, false, fill in the blanks, and synonym also. So you should keep more focus on your reading and acting as on acting my advice like skimming, scanning, and intensive reading. So best of luck.